Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to install a lock on a door, on a new door. And of course you're going to need to bore a hole through it to install your lock. And the simplest way is to use a jig kit. And there are a couple different jig kits that you can use to do that. This one here is by Ryobi, and we're going to go over how to use it and how to install it. Now this one is for a wood door kit, and this kit, particularly made by Ryobi, is meant for metal doors. And the cutouts, the drill bits and everything are designed to cut through metal also. Now, if you're going to be installing your own hinges, you probably could use this jig right here. And if you're handy and you have a routing kit, this would be the tool that you would use to bore and cut out your cutouts inside of the door. But most doors, like you know, come pre-cut out, so you're all good to go. Let's get into that right now. Now, now looking at this wood door kit, you can see that this basically goes on the door, and I'll show you a picture of it in a second of where it goes. But basically, you have two inserts, as you can see here, and this. You set this to whether it's a 2 3/8 or 2 2 3/4 center bore. You're going to do the same thing here to find the center of the door by moving this little insert. You'll measure it and find your place, and it comes with a 3/8, a 3/32 drill bit, and a 1/8 drill bit, and a double-sided drill bit. Just you have everything you need really in the kit. You'll put this in place, and then drill your two holes, and then put the two screws in place to hold it so it doesn't move. Then once you've done that, depending upon which one you selected, you'll take your drill, attach it to this, and drill and bore your hole through the door. And then, of course, what's nice about this is that this piece here has a center bore to hold it in securely in place. So once you've screwed the jig in place, to put the 1-inch bore in through, and then place this through, and then drill your drill bit through the door until you've reached the center point of the hole. Very simple to do. Now, as simply as that, you're just going to basically, you do this, I'm showing you a door. You would mark where you want it to be. You've already moved your adjustments so that you're going to center of the door frame and the center to set it to 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. Drill two holes with the included drill bits, and then put screws in it so that it doesn't move. You won't have to hold the jig that way. Once you've done that, bore your holes, and then simply go in here and then mark where your. Now, if I haven't asked you already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This like helps overcome the algorithm and helps get this video out. Sharing this video helps other people find a way to learn how to do this. And subscribing, of course, and hitting the bell button, it lets you know that when we're out there and we're giving you another piece of how-to and reviews and product reviews, it helps the channel greatly. So I appreciate you that. Also, I would like you to comment. Have you used this kit or another kit, and how do you find it? Again, this one is designed for wood door kits. There's another one meant for metal door kits because it uses it doesn't use this type of boring tool, but a different boring tool. And of course, if you're really a wood crafter and you can make your own hinge cutouts. I'm going to leave you the Amazon links where you can find them. Please use the links when you're looking at the product. It helps the channel grow. And if you want to become a channel member, or you want to give a thank you for Grandpa for making this video for you, please do so. And until next time, check out my other videos. This is your Grandpa Casey out. You have a great day. Bye.